Hello everyone, want to go over the Friday countdown to kind of give you guys a tour of what's going on in the shop. I don't know if everybody remembers this super fast. This was the one that we did a while back, sold it to a very good client of ours. He had some hit and run on the freeway. The whole side of the car was pretty much wiped out. We replaced the fender, the door, the quarter panel. It's pretty much done. They're just assembling it. It should be done here within the next few days and we can ship it back to, he's going to Florida. So it's going back to Florida. He's like misses his car, man. We had it for a long time because we had a hard time getting parts from Ferrari, but we managed to be able to get the quarter panel and door and all of that. Still one of my favorite cars that we did, man.
Built from the wheels. So
yeah, that exactly, built from the wheels. You know, we finished up. Obviously, everybody knows about our 812 GTS. We take this car to one car show, and guess what happens? We pick up a chip in a windshield, and that costs north of $5,000 to replace. Usually we PPF the car. We don't usually PPF the windshield, but I think that's going to be our next move, is to PPF the windshield. Yeah, brand new windshield. Ferrari windshield went in. She's looking good. So this thing is pretty much now completely 100% ready for sale. We have several people interested on the car now, so we'll see if she's gonna be gone. Audi's here for exhaust, Capriso exhaust. I think we installed that Capriso exhaust on the car. That baby is almost done assembling the rear bumper.
We gave it its first startup. Sounds really good.
Oh, it did? Yeah. I didn't see that. I wasn't here, so it sounds good.
Yeah, really good actually. Yeah.
Keeps it quiet, but as you accelerate and pressure builds up, it'll open the valve and allow for more flow as it comes down. The first mode, which is this one here, you know, it's a little quieter, that's cruise mode. So that's your normal quiet cruise around for your fuel injection and, you know, in your neighborhood. Then like I said, sport mode gives you the both of both worlds. When you're cruising, it gets quiet. When you get on it, it'll go loud. Or if you wanted to just, you know, annoy everybody and be nice and loud, is it, hey, rev it just a little bit.
You know, this V10s, man, they sound pretty good, even just the catback. You know,
100%.
Completely changes the tune up the sound. You know, a lot of people don't do the downpipe because they're so hard to get to, and it becomes a headache. She's done. This one is going back to Canada. This such a beautiful spec car. We did the Zakoi soft body kit on it. Just super clean MV forged wheels that he saw on our wide body Duke Dynamic, and he loved the wheels, so we just basically duplicated those wheels for that. I think this thing is in here for interior and getting a Zakoi body kit on it. Yeah, the interior is completely gutted. We're still going to take the door panels and the dash out. Hobby's been working on the seats on the inside. Full color PPF on the Tesla. We powder coated the wheel, just simple stuff on that. I want to show everyone the Escalade. So we're doing a couple of Latte design Escalades. This is a brand new 22.6. This is ours. We did one for our client. I think it's just getting the detail because it just was finished. This kit is super, super sick. Now, the kit was only designed for the ESV, the long version. So a lot of the parts are just bigger. So we're gonna have to modify all the carbon to shorten it out to fit the regular size Escalade, which, you know, Marlon said that's not gonna be a problem. I trust Marlon. If you say that's not gonna be a problem, that's not gonna be a problem. We have a couple of projects outside. We have 4 Carlex cars to do. The other first 2 were built and sold right away. So we have one here, one is right there, and 2 that they're, one just got dropped off, another one is on his way. This one is for a good friend of ours. We're doing a zero design kit. It's a simple kit. It's a front bumper, side skirts, and a rear diffuser with exhaust steps. So this will be done. Is in the paint. I think they're doing the paint on it. That one is the Carlex. That one is going to be the Sterling, yeah, which is like a kind of a gray white car. So this should go into paint next week. And
we just got the Lago, the green one. That was really hot.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, so that gets sold to our local dealer. They had a client for it, so I delivered that yesterday, and everybody loved it. Like we sold 2 roses and that first Lago, and people liked the Lago more. I would have, you know, The Lago, the only thing I kind of didn't like as much as the Rose was the interior was all one color. I would think that they would want to do it like a, you know, the two-tone like they did on the Rose, but they didn't really have that done. We're doing just some basic work on this 2026 E63 for our local Mercedes-Benz dealers, lowering it, wheels, satin PPF on it, and just making it look a little bit more sporty so they can sell it. Oh yeah, let's look at the, is that the Escalade? Here's the ESV Latte. First car. Looks pretty amazing, man. Look at that. It looks beefy. So all 4x4 carbon, grille bezel, the complete hood, lower wing, the wide body arcs, mirror caps, the moldings on the door, quarter panel wide body arcs, roof spoiler, trunk molding, bumper molding, exhaust seat, rear diffuser. I mean, it's pretty sick. What do you think?
Oh, I love it. It's really nice. The wide body on this fits it very, very nice, because this is a very square car, and then this adds a lot of body lines, makes the car look better.
So what we're going to do, we're going to do a matte PPF, black matte PPF on the car to match the wheels, the MB Forge wheels. We still have to lower the car, and then the car can go to the client. It's one of our best friend and a really good client is Anna's car, so it's for her. She hasn't seen the car yet. So
and this is the long body, right?
This
looks
long body,
long. Okay, this looks longer than the one that we.
So we need to modify these fenders. We have to modify the rear diffuser. We have to modify the door. The door's longer. The back piece is obviously longer, and this part is longer. I thought it would be just this part, and we need to modify this. So
of course, it's everything.
Yeah. Now I have to literally modify. We need to, but Marlon said he can handle it, so I'm pretty sure he can. So that's pretty much a real quick walk around on a Friday at the shop. Shop's super busy right now. We have a bunch of G-Wagons we have to paint. That's really what has been something that we're not used to, and that's a lot of work. So it's slowed down our own production of cars, but our game plan is to have a complete different shop for the G-Wagons, you know. So if anybody wants Carlex G-Wagon, please visit our website. There's a link. You can take a look. You can build your own car, any color you want. Turnaround time is about 60 days that we can deliver for you. And we have some stuff in stock. That Sabbia is in stock. Everything else, we have a Rose coming in. We have a Rosso, which is a black and red one. That should be really nice. And then we have a Sabbia, which is a 1 of 7 limited edition. Those are all going to be coming in.
Staying busy here in the PPF department is 812 that you just saw rebuilt, is getting PPF on all of the pieces and panels that we just fixed to make sure that this fresh 812 keeps looking fresh now that it has its brand new makeover. This car should be headed to Florida this Friday. A Carlex shipment from Poland has just arrived here. This crate is holding all of the interior and exterior pieces to our Sabbia project. This is a 1 of 7. On top of this car already being a 1 of 7, this specific Sabbia project is going to be the only US allocation. As of right now, our paint booth is getting prepped and ready for the next Carlex G-Wagon that is going to be painted. We have a prepped and ready Carlex G63 outside. This is going to be our Sterling configuration that is already commissioned for Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale. Now, this car is ready outside, completely gutted. Now that we have the interior back from Poland, now this interior is going to look so amazing. It has a brown triple tone to the interior with the suede and leather, really making that interior pop and contrast really nicely with the exterior. This Carlex G-Wagon is going to be out of this world. Javi is also working on a Ferrari 488 interior. This is the brown carbon bucket. This is now going to be Silverstone with yellow accents. This interior is going to pop and look absolutely beautiful when it is done. Before we can get this G-Wagon inside of the paint booth, we do need to make this car a driver again. Because we stripped the entire interior, these cars cannot move without the interior in them. But now that we have the interior back from Poland and Carlex, we can reinstall the dashboard and all of the supporting components that makes this G-Wagon a driver again. Our Escalade V is looking amazing. This front face looks super aggressive from Latte design. We do have a brand new set of 26-inch wheels and tires that need to be mounted that are going to go onto this car. Marlon is still working on the rear fenders, like Sai was mentioning earlier in the video, how they need to be modified. But this car, this Escalade V with these 26-inch wheels and tires, is going to look like a beast when it is done. This GTC4 Lusso, this 6.3 liter front engine V12 from Ferrari, sounds absolutely amazing thanks to Creative Mods and Capristo. This has the Capristo rear mufflers as well as the X-Pipe setup. This is available with us. Visit creativemods.com and you can buy this setup for yourself. Getting a better taste of what this Audi R8 sounds like outside with that Capristo catback system, this is also available with us at creativemods.com. This Friday fuel run, the start grid is going to be taking place here at Creative Bespoke. This event starts at 8 a.m. This is an open event. Our showroom is going to be full of amazing, beautiful cars. If you love cars, you love modified cars, Friday here at Creative Bespoke, 8 a.m. I hope to see all of you guys here.